Can we please have a tiny lick? Okay.
No.
Now we are just
Yummy.
smashing all the crumbs. Oh, okay. Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Okay. Okay.
Get the stuff on the bottom. Get all the lumps out.
You got some on my hand, Ava.
Sorry. Wow. Why is this bowl so small?
Baby, that's a big bowl.
I know, but it's pooching into the bottom.
Bowl's bigger than you guys.
No, we are bigger than the ball.
That's true.
You are just bigger than us, right? No, Jameson, don't
Probably.
touch. No touch. This is going to be delicious.
It's so slimy.
You got some in my hands. I'm going to lick it. Yummy.
No, Jameson.
No, Jameson. No, Jameson. No, Jameson.
Look, Daddy.
Ugh.
It's so slimy and goopy.
And it's hard to mix. A little.
I got some on Ava.
Okay, that's enough, Ava.
Okay, I'm gonna get my finger.
There's raw eggs in that, guys.
I know, I just.
And I think you'll be alright, but
Yeah, Mommy let us have raw eggs before.
Jameson.
In the cookie.
Jameson.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
And we did die.
You did.
We did not.
You didn't?
Yeah, we didn't. Can I sit in this chair? I can't get it. I just need to move it with my feet. Okay.
Whoa.
Wait. Ooh, let me just get. Woo! Okay, let's look how it turned out. Wow. You got some on me. I don't want to lick it off. You done that to me. Stop, Carolyn. Okay.
Don't.
I love you.
I love you, baby.
Love you, Daddy. This is fun.
Love
Thank
you,
you.
Mama,
This makes it. Well, it is pretty messy.
Oh yeah, it is.
Well, it is pretty messy. It's getting on our hands. No, Jameson. You're almost gonna pour the thing over, and we don't want that to happen.
I have to start out back over.
And then anybody won't have so much pancakes, and then we will forget something, right?
Yeah.
So we don't want that to happen.
This is all wet stuff and it's so wet and droopy.
And droopy.
Look how drippy it is. So drippy. Look, there's sunflower there. Sunflower.
Sunflower funny. La 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 la. We're
Look
mixing
at
like ladies.
It's so gloopy.
Yes, so gloopy.
Let's do this, Ava.